Welcome to my class. We have a brand new topic today, Alkanals. And alkanals are known as aldehydes. Aldehydes are the common name of alkanals. So either you call them alkanals or they are also known as aldehydes. And the general formula for this group of organic compound is RCH. We have RCHO, where this R represents the alkyl group or the phenyl group. R represents the alkyl group or the phenyl group. Why this R is attached to a hydrogen atom, then a carbonyl group. So that is to say, if we have this as their general formula, look at this, which means here that they have carbonyl functional group. This functional group is known as carbonyl. Carbonyl group is the functional group present in alkanals or aldehydes. Now, this R can be an alkyl group or a phenyl group, and the carbonyl group is attached to alkyl group and hydrogen atom. This can help you to know when alkanals are present or when you are talking about the other part of them like alkanes. Okay, so without much ado, we are going to see the common aldehydes or the common alkanals names and their structural formula, so that let us just give ourselves refreshing our memory of some of the common alkanals, so that it will help us to handle their chemical properties, their preparation, and their tests to distinguish them. Okay, so the first we have in this group of organic compounds is known as methanal. Methanal is the first, common group member. Is the first, has the structural formula HC. Of course, this is double bond. Remember, when we discuss that R represent the alkyl group or phenyl group, and also can represent the hydrogen atom. It simply means that we are having something like this, HCHO, and this compound is known as methanal. Methanal is the first compound in this group of alkanals or aldehydes. Okay, the second one we have here is ethanol. Ethanol is the second member or non-member or common member, as we know. So in this case, we are going to have CH3, we have this, and we have our H. So, which signifies that we're having CH3, CHO. So this is known as ethanol. Remember, it has a carbonyl group. It has a carbonyl group. Now, in this case, we have an alkyl group attached to this carbonyl group and also a hydrogen atom. But here, hydrogen atom is attached to the carbonyl functional group. Okay, the third one we have is propanol. So propanol, we have CH3, we have CH2, we have C, carbonyl functional group, and this. So what we simply have here is CH3, CH2, CHO. This is what we have. This one is known as propanol. Remember the common alkanals we know. Then the fourth, but not the least, is known as the butanol. And butanol, we have CH3, CH2, CH2, C, carbonyl functional group H. So we are going to have CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. So this one is known as butanol. These are the few common alkanals. We have other common alkanals, but for now, let us know these few ones. These few ones will help us to understand what alkanals are or aldehydes are, how they can be prepared, their chemical properties, how can we distinguish them from their corresponding alkanals? Okay, it will help us a lot. Bye bye for now and see you in my next class.